You oppress and gag those outside the charmed circle. I don't accept you. I don't accept you or him.
You decadent!
Why don't you go back to your beloved theater and act in one of your darling, pointless little plays?
I have never acted in such a play in my life! You're not capable of writing a student burlesque! What are you? Your grandparents were shopkeepers in Kiev!
Miser!
Flounder! God, you're nothing! Don't cry! There's nothing to cry about. My child, forgive me. My dearest child, forgive me. Forgive your sinful mother. Oh, you see, I'm so unhappy.
If only you knew. I've lost everything. She doesn't love me anymore. I can't write anymore.